Welcome un proyecto will focus on the superpower or responsibility. First and foremost, our team is made up of Cruz Reyes Hanna Beatriz, Cupul Nolasco Brisa Yosabet, De la Cruz Valdez Mayri, Angel Hernandez Jared Javier, and Garcia Chan Diana Naon. Our value was chosen by the entire team so that we can make people understand that responsibility is very important in our daily lives. The objective of this project is to demonstrate the importance of responsibility in daily life through the care of a plan. Electing of this value can positively influence our actions and decisions. In this project, we are related into a superhero, as it can show us how we can make impact.
Responsibility is fundamental because it involves contaminant, fulfilling obligations, and answers of for actions, fostering trust and respect in areas of life. The purpose of the project is demonstrate the importance of responsibility in everyday life through a practical and tangible experiment. Using plant care as an example, the value of responsibility is essential to fostering trust, consistency, and mutual respect in any environment, whether personal, professional, or social. Responsibility implies the commitment to fulfill obligations and assume the consequences of your actions. The superpower of responsibility project seeks to highlight the importance of this value in your daily lives. Through the experiment of caring for plants, we demonstrate that responsibility is essential for the well-being and the growth of any living being. By assuming the responsibility of caring for a plant, we learn to value life, complete tasks, and be aware of the consequences of your actions.
The experiment is a practical example of how responsibility came by a play in the relationship between the superpowers of responsibility. An experiment is that caring for a plant requires daily attention, commitment, and consistency, which demonstrates the importance of responsibility in everyday life. In short, our superpower of responsibility project has stood us that responsibility is a fundamental value in our everyday lives. Through the experiment of caring for a plant, we have demonstrated that responsibility is essential for the well-being and growth of any being life.
As a team, we have learned that responsibility involves commitment, attention, and consistency. We have seen our actions can have consequences on the lives of other living beings and have taken responsibility for caring for something can teach us the beauty, life, and the work of our actions. We believe that if we are taking responsibility for action in the commitment of caring for each other in the world areas, we can create a more sustainable and used future for all.
If right materials are stored correctly, production runs smoothly. If waste is managed properly, pollution is minimized.
If we reduce plastic consumption, we will decrease ocean pollution. If people use public transportation more often, cities will have less air pollution.
If you people care more about recycling, there will be less waste in landfills. If your government prioritizes renewable energy, the planet will be healthier.
If we separate correctly, recycling will be more effective. If all spills are prevented, marine life will remain safe.
That will be all from us. I hope you liked the video and thank you for your attention.